rice chapotle, huh? So I will just warm this up. Mexican blend cheese.
You have tomatoes in it?
Already in this chicken there's tomato. So I have this tortilla, and then I'll put a little bit butter, just a little bit. So I'll make a rice one too here. So I put little rice, right? And chicken. Chicken chapotle. And then I put a bit of this Mexican cheese. And I put this green. I don't have the bean, so that's okay. Put a lime on top of that. And I'll put ranch, use ranch. I don't know, Mexicans use ranch or no, but. And then I just roll it up, right, on one side, right, and then fold it with the aluminum foil. At the end of this close tightly, so we know which end. And the other side we can do, right?
I'm done.
That's done. And then I have the other chicken and potato, no potato yet.
There you go.
So I have to baked chicken, and then I'll be making the stew, right? Okay. I think that's good enough for tonight. We'll make something else tomorrow. And we made the cookie, so I just have one more cookie and Sprite. I have some. I think that's good enough.